Hello and welcome to the Cabinet of Creations, where you will find horror, beauty and the perfectly imperfect. Okay, so you sit at your desk chair and you look around, you think, geez, I've so got to tidy up. So the plan was to get some storage. I've seen this small chest of drawers on Facebook Marketplace. I nipped around the corners to go and get it. Then I brought it back to my she shed and started prepping it for paint. I couldn't really tidy up my room until this was kind of done, because I didn't obviously want to paint the chest of drawers when there was all stuff inside. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. It really helps out the channel. Got lots in the pipeline, lots in my head that need to come out on these videos. So yeah, make sure you don't miss them. The effect here is with gold paint, and I wanted it to almost look like dripping gold coming out and, you know, what's in there kind of thing. Anyway, just a little bit of a decoration. Right, dare I show you this mess of a... Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Here you go. Oh, look at it. Oh, it used to frustrate me every single time I stepped in. I mean, look, if that isn't the look of someone terrified at the sheer work ahead. Oh, there's my beautiful boy. The other one's downstairs on the sofa, little Miss Independent. Apologies for all the shaky video action here. I'm not used to doing it in the movement. Believe it or not, this camera is now attached to my door. That's how you're getting this lovely above shot. So you don't know where to start when it's such a mess like this. So I thought I'd start with something simple, just putting paints neatly in. There we go, look at that, beautiful. Neatly into the box. Just quickly showing you some backdrops where I'm going to put these, because I can't fold them. You'll see later. That's my manor house one. This is my decrepit one. And there you can see the circus one. There we go. Pop them out the way. I want to swap over the chest of drawers with the chair. Here we go, nice and neat in the corner. There's the mess, and there's the floor space ready for the chair. I made this alcove space. Well, this space was an alcove, and so I made a frame and then put some doors on it, because I knew I just wanted more storage in this house. There's hardly any. So I did have the new storage cupboard, so to speak, all nice and neat. But you know, as things do, you grab this, you grab that, you end up taking all sorts of things out and say, oh, I'll do it later, I'll do that tomorrow, I'll do it in a bit, oh, I'll put that there for now. That's my most common phrase. I have denial for myself. So yeah, got to get sorted. An award-winning clip here of me putting buttons in a box. Feel the space and the air. It's wonderful. Yay! Oh.